A viral video of Omondi has spiraled the netizens after his visit to Raila. Eric says he met him to get wisdom. However, there has been many speculations of Eric being a replacement of Jalango. This comes after his post on Instagram of this video. Nazo News report gathered that this could be true after the fallout of Raila and Jalango. What's your thought about the story? More is yet to be found. Stick to Nazo News report for more as they happen. Subscribe and turn on all notifications. Thanks for watching.